So we've already got the FLIRT out in the normal plain livery, and then now we've got one for Pride. This is the Class 755-4, or the FLIRT train. G'day everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of Hornby's, well, more colourful releases for 2025. This is the Class 755-4, or the FLIRT train. This is the Greater Anglia's Pride livery. So we've already got the FLIRT out in the normal plain livery, and then now we've got one for Pride. This is probably one of the more distinctive trains running around the UK at the moment, and I guess Hornby have done an interesting job of recreating it in 00 scale. So we'll have a look at the train and what you get in the pack. So the Stadler FLIRT is a modular train design used across most of Europe, and in 2016 Greater Anglia placed an order for Class 755 bi-mode units to replace their ageing fleet. The trains were designed to work both under wires and on non-electrified routes, offering improved capability, accessibility and passenger comfort. The first 755s entered service in July 2019 with unit 755421, being one of the 4 car sets. Fast forward to April 2024 and Greater Anglia unveiled a striking Pride livery on this particular unit. The design features both rainbow pride flag and the transgender flag, and it's a moving symbol of inclusivity across the network. The livery has made 755421 one of the most recognisable trains in the country, and naturally it's become a popular subject for modelers too. Alright, so let's take a look inside the box and of course what the model looks like. So on the outside of the box you've got the box art, which of course has the Greater Anglia set with the Pride livery on it. If I can get it out. There we go. All right. So you've got some instructions on how to set it up, and you've got some information regarding the DCC and setting it up. Here we go. So nice and well packaged, especially for transport. I think this thing goes together quite easily. So we're going to take it out, plonk it on the track. Now I have realised that this may not fit on our test track, as it is a bit of a longer model. There we go. Alright, so this thing is a little bit long and doesn't quite fit on our test track, but that's not to worry as it will still work. Alright, so this is a 4-car set, and of course it does carry the Pride livery and logo, as well as a large wheelchair logo on the side of this one. One of the standout features is just how much lighting Hornby have packed in. You've got directional headlights, illuminated interior cab and step lights, illuminated destination boards and even door opening lights. All are controllable with a DCC decoder, but if you are running DC, like these are out of the box, they will just turn on with the direction of the controller. The lighting also has the benefit from super capacitors, meaning that the light stays on smoothly even over dead spots of the track. Performance is handled by not one, but 2 5-pole skew-wound motors with flywheels, giving plenty of smooth, reliable power across the full train. All wheels are fitted with electrical pickup and brass axle bearings for added durability. The model also comes pre-fitted with Sugar Cube speakers and is fully compatible with Hornby's HM7000 sound decoders. And for all those who want the genuine audio experience, there's even a provision to fit enhanced bass speakers in the generator car, all controlled via a 3rd decoder. Detailing on this model is pretty fine throughout. Hornby have worked with Stadler and Greater Anglia directly, so the CAD information is spot on. You get photo etch grills, posable pantographs, and highly detailed roof and underframe equipment. At the ends, the train is fitted with working kinematic Schaffenberg couplers to replicate the real thing. So what do I think of the Hornby Class 755-4 in Pride livery? Honestly, it's one of the most striking models they've produced in recent years. The vibrant colours and the sheer amount of lighting functions and smooth drill motors make it a real showpiece of any modern image layout. And as for train running, it's a conversation starter, representing inclusivity in real life and now in model form. So if you're after these modern units, Greater Anglia, or just want to stand out from the collection, this set is definitely worth a look. So there we go. If you are interested in one of these sets, we do have them in stock here at Hearns. If you have any other questions, of course, reach out to us via the comments, social media, email, or call the store. Anyway, we look forward to seeing you again in another video very soon. Hooroo!